Hi, welcome to the introduction of the Integra Prototype. My name is Johnny Ketta. I'm the Acura brand officer, and who we have here is Jonathan Rivers with American Honda Product Planning. He is the guy that is, I consider you the godfather of the Integra on this round because you were very much involved with the development of this vehicle. So I think you are the absolute perfect person to give everyone a quick walk around of this amazing car you worked on. All right, John?
Thanks a lot.
Let's do that.
All right, appreciate it. We're here at the global debut of the Acura Integra Prototype. This is such an important model for the Acura brand, as we're leveraging our heritage of the Integra name, but also creating a new gateway for a next generation of Acura customers. I'm just going to point out some of the great design elements for you of this prototype vehicle. I think the first thing you'll notice is the striking paint, Indy Yellow Pearl, taken from our NSX supercar. You'll also notice a very aggressive front fascia, which for me is one of my favorite cues with having the name Integra embossed in both the front and rear fascias. You'll see our signature chicane LED daytime running lamps, a very aggressive wheel package, 19-inch in size. These amazing Brembo calipers, also painted in that same yellow as the body itself. But it's the great black accents that you'll notice on the roof, the door mirror caps, even on the rear decklet spoiler that really give it a sporty and purposeful design. Clearly you'll see the Integra graphics along the bottom of the vehicle. And as we make it towards the rear, maybe my favorite view of the car, you'll notice this sloping roof that lends to the 5-door liftback design. So this vehicle is not only sporty and purposeful, but it actually has the versatility that this next generation of Acura customers are going to want. Lastly, we'll take a look around the back with a single piece LED chicane tail light design and this amazing rear diffuser and blacked out exhaust tips. We're here today with the global debut. This vehicle will go on sale next year, starting at around $30,000. Now, as we get closer to the launch, we'll have a lot more details to share, but this is the first look of the Acura Integra Prototype.